Why post-exercise recovery matters.
Recovering well after exercise is essential for muscle repair, energy restoration, and long-term fitness gains. What you eat after working out can either speed up or slow down this process. While fueling your body is important, some foods can actually hinder recovery, leaving you sore or fatigued longer than necessary. Let's explore what to avoid to help your body bounce back faster.
Steer clear of highly processed foods.
Highly processed foods such as chips, cookies, and sugary snacks can spike blood sugar and slow recovery. These foods are often low in beneficial nutrients and high in unhealthy fats, sugar, or salt. Instead of supporting your muscles and energy levels, they challenge your body's ability to repair and replenish, potentially causing inflammation and sluggishness after a workout.
Limit high-sugar treats and drinks.
Sweets, pastries, and sugar-laden drinks can give you a quick energy boost, but hurt recovery overall. Consuming too much sugar after exercise may increase inflammation and reduce protein absorption, which is key for muscle repair. Opting for whole foods and naturally sweet options such as fruit will help your body recover without the drawbacks of added sugars.
Be cautious with fatty fast foods.
Greasy burgers, fries, and fried chicken might be tempting, but high-fat fast foods slow down digestion and hinder nutrient uptake. After exercise, your body craves nutrients to heal and refuel. Excess saturated and trans fats, found in many fast foods, can stall these recovery processes, leaving your muscles undernourished.
Hold off on heavy alcohol consumption.
Alcohol in large amounts can slow muscle repair, disrupt sleep, and dehydrate your body. While occasional social drinking is common, consuming alcohol soon after intense exercise may hinder your recovery by interfering with protein synthesis and making it harder for muscles to heal and grow.
Smart choices for faster recovery.
Support your recovery by choosing balanced meals rich in lean protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Focus on whole foods like chicken, fish, whole grains, vegetables, and fruits. Hydrate well and rest as needed. By avoiding foods that slow recovery, you'll help your body build strength, reduce soreness, and get the most from your fitness routine.